In the heart of the Andes, amidst the towering peaks, lived a curious llama named Llama-Llama. One day, he found himself at a crossroads, a path leading east and another leading west. Llama-Llama, known for his wisdom, pondered the choices before him. The eastern path was laden with beautiful flowers, while the western path was lined with tall trees whispering secrets. He hesitated, for each path seemed promising. But Llama-Llama remembered the words of his wise old grandmother, "Choose the path not for its beauty, but for the lessons it offers." He decided to take the western path, the one less traveled by. The trees welcomed him, their leaves rustling with stories of perseverance and growth. The journey was not easy. The path was steep, and the sun was relentless. But Llama-Llama pressed on, reminding himself of his grandmother's words. Eventually, he reached a clearing where a wise old owl sat perched on a tree branch. The owl spoke, "You have shown courage, Llama-Llama. You have chosen the path less traveled, and in doing so, you have learned the true meaning of resilience." Llama-Llama thanked the owl and continued his journey. He realized that the path was not just a physical road, but a metaphor for life. The choices we make, the challenges we face, and the lessons we learn shape who we become. As he descended the mountains, Llama-Llama returned home, not as the same llama who had left. He was wiser, stronger, and more resilient. He had chosen the path not for its beauty, but for the lessons it offered, and in doing so, he found his true self. The moral of the story is this: choose the path not for its allure, but for the lessons it offers. For it is in the challenges we face and the lessons we learn that we truly grow and find our path in life.